Energy saving Optimum Start works by smartly waiting to turn on your heater until it's really needed, so it doesn't waste extra energy. This way your room will be nice and warm exactly when you want it to be. These timing settings are adjusted all year round to ensure you save as much energy as possible. To enable the Optimum Start feature, you must first ensure the power icon is highlighted by pressing the tick key. Next, continuously hold the tick key until the main display goes off. Tap the tick key to enter Setup and select Feature 8 with the arrow key. Now choose the maximum number of hours the thermostat can use to preheat your home, between 1 to 5. A value of 00 means the function is disabled. Confirm by pressing the tick key and return to the main display. Now you're ready to start using the energy saving Optimum Start feature of your Neo system.